how to fix YouTube error code 15218 problem. So if you're facing the YouTube error code, then don't worry about it. First, when you're facing this problem, you need to long press on your YouTube for a few seconds. Find your YouTube, tap and hold onto it, and then go with the app info section. From the app info, you need to simply go and force stop the application. After force stopping, go back and restart your phone by pressing the power button and hold. After doing this step, if the error still persists, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for YouTube. After searching for YouTube, if you have any updates on your YouTube, just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem will be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to come back and then tap and hold on to your YouTube again. Go with the app info section. From here, go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, a problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.